Welcome to the heart of Africa, where life is a daily journey of survival and resilience. In this eye-opening documentary, we invite you to embark on a captivating expedition through the lives of extraordinary individuals who face challenges head-on and find ingenious ways to secure nourishment for their families. The power of togetherness. In many African villages, the spirit of togetherness is a cornerstone of life. The collective efforts of communities play a crucial role in overcoming the hurdles that come their way. Whether it's planting crops, tending to animals, or building shelters, these communities thrive through collaboration. Seeds of sustenance. Farming is not just a chore, but a way of life. Families lovingly till the soil, plant each seed with hope, and patiently nurture their crops. The fields are a canvas of dedication, where the sweat of hard work is a testament to their commitment and determination. Harvesting abundance. The arrival of harvest season is a time of jubilation. It's a culmination of months of hard labor, where families come together to gather the bountiful rewards. Smiles and laughter fill the air as they reap the fruits of their labor, a reminder that resilience and effort yield nourishment. A dance with nature's rhythm. For those living near water, fishing is a dance with nature. Using time-honored techniques and simple tools, they cast their nets and lines, a delicate artistry that brings forth sustenance from rivers and lakes. This age-old practice ensures not only food, but a connection to ancestral traditions. Markets of connection. Vibrant markets are where stories converge. People gather to trade their produce, exchange tales, and strengthen the bonds of community. Amidst colorful stalls and bustling activity, these markets are a testament to the enduring connection among individuals striving for nourishment. Nature's pantry. Nature provides its own pantry. Many rely on the gifts of the land, gathering wild fruits, nuts, and plants that provide a unique form of sustenance. This harmonious relationship with nature's bounty reflects the delicate equilibrium they maintain between taking and giving back. Seeds of knowledge. Seeds of knowledge are planted in modest schools. Here, children learn to read, write, and count, nurturing aspirations for a brighter future. Education is the beacon that guides them toward broader horizons, offering a chance to break the cycle of poverty and shape their destinies. Triumph amidst trials. Trials are an inevitable part of life, and Africa is no stranger to its share of challenges. From droughts to economic hardships, these individuals confront adversity with unwavering resilience. Each setback becomes a stepping stone, fueling their determination to forge ahead and create a better life. A tapestry of culture. Amidst the struggles, vibrant cultural celebrations paint a vivid tapestry of life. Music, dance, and festivities echo the pulse of a people rich in tradition and heritage. These moments of unity and joy are a testament to the indomitable spirit that continues to thrive. A shared journey. As our journey through the lives of Africa's resilient souls comes to a close, we stand humbled by their unwavering spirit and inspired by their capacity to turn adversity into triumph. Their stories illuminate the power of the human spirit and remind us that hope and unity can overcome even the most daunting challenges. If you found this documentary enlightening, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from across the globe.